my channel. It is Day back again with a video for y'all. So if you haven't read the title already or saw my thumbnail, you're going to be doing a wig install. Okay, so this is the wig right here, and I'm hoping that it won't take a long time to install because it's really only a T-part, to be honest. Like, it's only this, and then you have like a little room for the 13 edges. Okay, so what I love about this wig in particular, the inside has an elastic band. Usually they don't have these, so this could be good for glueless. So I'm gonna try my best to use like minimal glue or spray, but I am gonna use just a little spray because I don't like when my wig is like lifting back. So we're gonna use a little bit of spray, especially in the front where the T-part is. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm just ready to get my day started, but I can't do nothing or go anywhere like this bald. So let's go ahead and throw this wig on. First things first, I'm going to take a brush and some concealer that I mixed up, and I'm going to put the concealer on the inside of the wig and go ahead and just put it right here too. So yeah, I wanted to try some color, something different other than black. I've just been doing black hair. I absolutely love black hair, but I want to take a little break and just do this blue wig because I've had it for actually a really long time and I just never wore it. And I just feel like this weekend is the perfect opportunity to wear it. I don't know why, but let's just do something fun and something different. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this brush right here and this concealer that is mixed up, and I'm gonna go ahead and place it on the lace and on my cap. So I put some concealer on the inside, and then I'm about to put a little bit on my wig cap. But it's only a T-part, so that's all I'm gonna do. Okay, so this is the wig on, and it is pretty tight. So I probably can do glueless for this, but I'm gonna go ahead and, like I said, I definitely want the front part, like especially right here, to be secure because I don't want it sliding back. So we're gonna go ahead and add some Got To Be first. I like to use this first, and then I like to use sprays for the remainder of the days that the wig is on, but I like to lay it down with this first. Okay, so I already have my hot tools going. I have my hot comb, of course, and then I have my flat iron. So I have these already heated up, and let's go ahead and take care of the gluing down. Okay, so I slid it back, and I'm just gonna put it along where I want it to lay, which is kind of just slightly past like my actual hairline, because we're trying to preserve them edges, baby. So like literally on the skin is what it's gonna connect to. Yeah, just put like a really thick layer. Okay, like so, and then let it dry. I should use the blow dryer, but I'm not. So if you have a blow dryer, I think you should use your blow dryer, but I'm not going to use one because I don't got no other plugs, and I already started my hot tools, and I just ain't got time. So we just not gonna do that today. But yeah, definitely get you a hair dryer. It just makes the process a lot more faster. And I also think when you use a blow dryer, it helps the glue kind of adhere better, like stick better. So use a blow dryer. Okay, so I'm just bringing it down to the Got To Be that we just put on, and then I'm gonna take my comb, of course, and then just kind of comb it in there, work it in there. Okay, so now that that is on there, I'm gonna also take my Eben, and I just got the black one. I was using the yellow one, but the girlie said the black one is the best, so we about to try this out because I need that extra hold. Just like that. Just like that. just like that. So yeah, I'm gonna take my wig band and we're gonna put it on this way because it's more clean this side than this side. You guys see it was used, not too much. But yeah, so we're gonna take that and just lay it on the perimeter of the hair. Okay, so while that's going on the T part, I'm gonna go ahead and just start straightening the hair because I'm just gonna keep it straight. We're just gonna do it straight and it's gonna be a middle part straight, but maybe like some layers or something. So while the band is on there melting away, I'm gonna go ahead and start straightening this mess. So first things first, I'm gonna use my Chi. I just got some of this heat protectant. The girlie said it was really, really good. So I got a little baby size so that I can try it out and see for myself. So we're gonna spray some of this Chi on this hair. Oh, not in my eye, Lord. Oh my gosh, in the eye. This Chi trying to take me out. Okay, so I have the Chi going. I just sprayed the Chi in, so now I'm gonna go ahead and try to do my wax stick. So next we're gonna take this wax stick right here and then I'm gonna go ahead and start flattening the top and start straightening the hair. Look at my hands, they're so blue. It's giving Smurf. But yeah, the dye just keeps like rubbing off, rubbing off, rubbing off. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my wax stick. Y'all already know, if you don't have one, get you a wax stick. They are magical for the hair. And it just helps with all of the flyaways. Okay, so with the wax stick on top, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take my hot comb and I'm just gonna go ahead and press it into that wax stick. Okay, as you can see, it's getting very much flat, very much laid. So next I'm gonna go in with my flat iron and do the bottom part to make sure it's all very much straight and very much flattened. Okay, now we're back in action. I had to let my camera cool off for a little bit. It be getting overheated now apparently. So we did one side, we straightened this side, and then I'm gonna go ahead and straighten this side, and y'all can see there's a massive difference and just like how poofy it was, and now it's all sleek and straight. So the vision is coming together. So yeah, the vision is coming together quite nicely. I didn't want to spend all day on my hair. Didn't want to be in the bathroom doing hair all day. So yeah, things are going quite smoothly. I'm gonna do the other side. Ooh, okay, okay, sound kind of cute. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and then we can take the band off and see what it's looking like. I do want to cut layers into this hair, but I wanted to straighten it and just see it in its full like glory first before I make that decision. Because I know some people will cut it and then straighten. I want to straighten mine and then I'll decide if I want to cut it. So yeah, we're straightening. I don't think I told you guys where this hair is from. It is from Amazon. It is from Afsister Wig. I already did a review on it a while ago because I told you guys that I had this hair for a really long time. I just never wore it. So that wig review will be up on the screen and you guys can click the link in the corner. And then the direct link to this wig, if you guys just want to go straight to Amazon and get it for yourself, it'll be down below in the description. Y'all already know I got you, girl. So yeah, this was like super random of me wanting to wear this wig, but it's just been sitting and I haven't been into color. So I was just like, let me try to do something different for the girls. But yeah, I felt like my time to wear this wig was running out, and hear me out while I say that. I said that because to me in my brain, the color of January is blue. I don't know why, but like the color of January is blue. So it just don't make sense to me to wear this wig any other month, really. I just want to know how long this hair is going to be staining, because I don't have time to be dealing with this all day, every day. So it's giving, I'm just going to have to wear black the entire time I wear this wig. Because like, why is it staining like this? And then of course, I don't want to blame the wig company for the dyeing. I think I did it, so that's why I haven't said like it's their fault or anything. But I had to go back in when I bleached my roots and go back in with some blue to fix the over bleaching. And I think all the dye is just like coming off of the wig. I don't know. So yeah, I don't know if that was like on me, or does this wig really give off dye like that. I'm not 100% sure, because I did dye it as well. Is she coming together? I feel pretty, so we coming together, in my opinion. I don't know, when you put that new hair on and you start feeling cute, game over for everybody. Game over for everybody. I probably just got blue stuff all over my camera, but I came back to show you guys that I straightened the hair. It's looking good. So I'm about to take the band off, and we are about to cut the lace and see about these baby hairs. I don't know. Should I not do baby hairs? But I just feel like maybe I should just do like a little bit right here. I don't know. But we about to take this band off and see, baby. I'm scared. Okay, what's it giving? So I'm gonna put it all back real quick, because I'm about to cut the lace, and then I'm gonna try to pluck it a little bit, because I just feel like this hairline is so full, especially like right here, since it's like dead in the front. The sides I'm not really gonna worry about, because it's only a T-part and we're not about to do all that. So we're only gonna really focus on the front. Bro, look at my hands. It's getting worse and worse and worse. Like, my hands are gonna be stained all day. Look at my nails. It's not gonna come off my nails. I'm sick. But I guess we needed blue nails for the blue hair. I don't know. So next I'm gonna take an eyebrow razor. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace. I always use these 4 lace, because I just feel like they get to the, I just feel like they cut the lace a lot better. Ow. Okay, so I'm gonna go in again with some spray, because as y'all can see, it's not laid. So I'm gonna go in with some more spray, and I'm gonna lay it down again for the security. Alright, so we're gonna use some mousse and my edge brush, which is a toothbrush, not too much. But yeah, so we're going to put down these curled baby hairs and see what it's talking about. Because I'm still gonna have to lay it down again regardless. I don't know, this is what the baby hairs is giving. So I'm just gonna like comb it down so I can see if this is what I was going for. Okay, so now that I got the little baby hairs together or whatever, and then I did lay it down for a little bit. This is what it's looking like. I am gonna take this little tool right here. I got it from Amazon and it helps to put layers into the hair. I rarely use it, so with this wig, because I don't think that I'll wear it again. I don't see myself like washing it and wearing it over. I really don't, but maybe. But yeah, so I'm gonna take it and do some layers because I don't usually do layers, so we're gonna do something different this time. So they have two different sides. They have one for like if you want to do like a little bit of hair and then a lot of hair, I guess, like a really like blunt cut. So I'm just gonna try. I'm really scared actually because this could go really good or really bad. And already I'm just starting to cut. I don't know, is it doing layers? I can't tell. I don't know, is it giving layers? Is it giving layers? I don't know. Okay, so that's this side compared to this side. I feel like there's a little bit of layers going on, but I just don't want to keep cutting and then I just don't want to keep cutting and ain't nothing left. So I'm gonna try to do it very lightly. Okay, so we are finally done with this Smurf hair. But yeah, this is the finished product. I did add some layers and then I did flip it a little bit right under the chin. And I did it kind of dramatic, but I know it's gonna fall throughout the day. So yeah, just to kind of give it a little oomph. But yeah, this is what we're working with. This is the look. I was hoping to like show the baby hairs a little bit more, but yeah, this is the look. What do we think? What do we think? I'm so over like the amount of dye that has transferred to my hands, but little 360 for the girls. So yeah, again, this wig is from Afsister Hair. I will have it listed down below in the description so you guys can get one too. I am done with this wig. I'm super excited. I'm tired now. Like the place that I wanted to go to, I don't even think I want to go anymore because I'm tired. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn that post notification bell on so the next time that I drop a video, babes, you'll be notified. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram for daily content. I'm going to be slaying this hair. Y'all probably see it in a couple of weeks, but yeah, I love you guys and I will see you in my next video.